everybody, it's Crystal with Crystal's Diversity Creations. Got a real quick craft for you. I'm getting ready to go on my anniversary cruise, and I wanted to make some quick straps to go around your suitcase so that you can identify it easily. So I'm just going to cut it out on the Cricut, and I'm using glitter HTV. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is the sizing for the whole thing. It is 11.49 by 1.75, and if it's just the name, it's 7.23 by 1.67. So I got a set of them. They came about 4 in a pack. I'll put the link in the description. So it has the name and the street and all of that good stuff. I'll follow that at a later date. And I'm just going to pre-press where I'm actually going to put my name in. It's just a real simple cut. I use glitter HTV, and I'm going to press my regular 325, and I'm doing it for about 25 seconds. Okay. I'm starting by making sure that I have it with the buckle in the center. This is going to be the part that's going to be on the press. This is just going to drop below the press. So now I'm just pre-pressing it for a quick few seconds. Then I'm just literally going to lay down the name, and I just make sure that it's all on the strap. And I see that it is. So I'm just going to simply pull down my press handle. Again, I'm doing, what is it? 325-ish for 25 seconds. So then when it stops, we'll be ready. And so there it is. It just finished up. All I'm gonna do is peel it, and there you go, boom. You'll be able to recognize your suitcase when it's coming off of the baggage claim, and it'll be really quick and easy to identify. So here's the finished product with the strap on the suitcase front and back. Thanks as always for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.